All right, man, this is it. It's your boy Brocky, man. Whiskey and Kicks. We in the building. It's unboxing time. Joey's in the building.
What's good, my guy?
You know, it's been a minute, man.
It's been a minute, man.
A lot of stuff been happening.
We've been all over the place. So yeah, it's a lot been happening.
It's a lot that's been happening. You know, when it comes to just everybody, we're gonna dive deep because you know where I'm going with it. But so many things happening with mentalities and mindsets changing, evolving. I'll say evolving. And then, you know, content-wise, it's a lot of things happening in the background, you know, where we want to take stuff. So we'll see what's good with unboxing coming up.
Yeah, man. We'll see.
Got some guests on here, you know what I'm saying? Let's get some people in here and talk some shot. Let's pour a little bit of whiskey. I'm feeling a little bit lazy today. I didn't feel like making cocktails.
What are we doing here?
Just a little, just a little something there, man. It's $2.91 Colorado whiskey. Aspen State. I don't know if we had this on the show. Colorado rye whiskey finished with Aspen wood staves. It's 101.7 proof, so you know.
It's gonna show up.
Yeah, you know, watch yourself. You done lost some weight and shit.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? So, watch yourself with this, man. It's not a joke, but it's delicious though. So it's really crazy.
I'm going. Since we haven't had the straight versions in a while, let me go back to what we used to do.
I've had this so much that, you know, I don't have to go through the whole, let me smell, I'm getting this and that and the third.
Okay.
I already know what this whiskey does for me.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
It's not a commercial, but y'all know how I do, man. $2.91, y'all know. Mike Myers, the owner. I mean, these folks have something amazing going on out there in Colorado. Good. I get bread pudding with raisins whenever I sip this whiskey.
None of that.
Yeah, because it has this like rich kind of, you know, some cinnamon in there, some sweetness in there, and it's a rye whiskey, so it has some heat with it too. Mm-hmm. So yeah, man, I like this stuff a lot.
I get the heat. I definitely get the wood finishings. There is a little bit of sweetness, but the wood finishings and the heat overpower that.
Yeah.
However, it's still very good.
Really good, man. Really good stuff.